Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make your own ringtone in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not already have it, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here, which is the main page, as you can see, where we can get started selecting what we want to record and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to make your own ringtone and save it to use. So basically guys, as you can see here, we have our drums, we have the keyboard. You can select what kind of instrument you want to play. You can even plug in your guitar, or we can just go open up the audio recorder. So if you want, you can go ahead and use all of the instruments, go ahead and open it up and start recording them for ourselves to get your desired ringtone, or you can just go ahead and import an audio file that you already have that you want to use as a ringtone. So I'm going to open up audio recorder right here, and now as you can see, once opening up the recorder option, as you can see, you can get started recording. If you click on the edit mode in the upper left corner, and now in the upper right corner you click on this button, that's going to enable us to add a file. As you can see, we can browse items from the files app. Here are my mp3 files that I have that I want to turn into a ringtone, so you can go ahead and add them to your track right here. As you can see, just click on them and drag them to the track, and now guys, in the upper left corner we can get started saving the ringtone. So by clicking this option that looks like an arrow pointing downwards, you can see we can go ahead and access my songs, and now we can go ahead and find our songs. As you can see, here is my song and my project file, and once I click on it, hold on it, as you can see, it's going to open up this new menu. One of the options is called share, and in the share options you can see we have the ringtone option. So this is going to enable us to create a custom ringtone for your iPhone to use. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.